Hey, it's Scott from StoryTellr. Today we have our friend and client, Eric Lowry, coming in to do his monthly market report video. Why don't you join us to take a look at a little behind the scenes action?
It's early Monday morning, and we're off to the races. I'm headed over to StoryTellr's video studio to shoot our monthly Real Estate Now show. It's our real estate market update that we shoot out to our database every month. And I look forward to doing this every month. As I've gotten comfortable doing video, it's become a lot of fun. Today the challenge will be, as I've scheduled this shoot into what's already a crazy full day, and so I've got to be able to make sure I slow down a bit and not have the video come across as rushed. So one of the tricks I've learned in doing these video shoots is to make sure I've learned my script, and I want to get at least 60% memorized, so I'm just really comfortable with it. You know, they'll have the teleprompter loaded up, the script loaded up on the teleprompter for me when I get over there, and yet if I know it at least at 60%, then I'm not totally dependent on the teleprompter, and it'll come across a lot smoother. I'll just be I'll be more relaxed, less intent on actually having to read the thing, and so it'll just come out more conversational and a lot smoother. So anyways, let's do it.
It's great for Eric to do his videos in studio because it gives him a lot of options and flexibility. He uses a green screen for his market report videos, which allows him to choose his background, and it allows us some flexibility for graphics insertion. He does market report videos because it helps keep him top of mind for his sphere.
Welcome to Real Estate Now for August 2018.
And it also gives really important information to people that might be on the fence about whether they're buying or selling. Hey, our mission here at StoryTellr is to help you quickly, easily, and affordably add video to all of your email marketing and your social media. If you want to find out more, reach out to me directly at scott.h@storytellr.com.